Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can train your AI chatbot. We have many different sources on the BotPenguin platform from where you can train your AI chatbot. That means the chatbot will be trained according to the sources that you provide. This will help you to customize your chatbot and send relevant replies to your users. To train your AI chatbot, you firstly have to select your bot which you want to train. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Just click on that. For the demo purpose, I am selecting this website chatbot. If you want to know how you can create chatbots for all these different platforms, the video links for all of them will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. After selecting the bot, you will land on this page. You have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section. Here you'll find the different subsections. You can train your AI chatbot using a website. You can upload a file and train your AI chatbot with that file. You can also integrate your Google account and then train your chatbot using the Google Sheets. You can also train your chatbot with frequently asked questions. And you can also train your chatbot using the conversation history that you already have. And some other sources are also available for training of the chatbot. Let's start with the website section. Here you have to click on the import website button. Here you have to enter the website URL. The content available on this website will be used to train your AI chatbot. For the demo purpose, I am entering BotPenguin's website URL here. You can insert any website whose content you want to use to train your AI chatbot. And here you can select whether you want to scan a full page or scan a single page. If you select on scan a single page, then the page URL that you have pasted here will be scanned. And if you click on scan a full page, the entire content from the provided pages will be scanned. For now, I am selecting the scan a single page option, and then you have to click on the train button. And the website has been added to this section. You can see the category name here. You can also see the number of web pages that are imported. You can see the last print date. You can enable or disable the visibility from this option, and you can take any actions. That is, you can refresh it or you can delete it. Coming to the next section, that is the file upload section. Here you can import the data from the document files, and the content available on the files will be used to train your chatbot. You have to click on the add file button. Here you can select the file of any of these formats that are mentioned here. For the demo purpose, I'll upload a file here. So I have uploaded a CSV file here, and then you have to click on the train button. And as you can see, my file has been added and the training status is in progress. You can also check the last print date, and you can take the action, that is, you can delete the file if you want. And similarly, you can add more files by clicking on the add file button. Then we have the Google Sheets section where you can use the Google Sheets to train your AI chatbot. You have to click on the connect with Google Sheets button. And here you have to sign in with the Google account. And as you can see, my Google account has been connected. Here I can add any title, and I can also add the parameters. That is, I can select the question and I can select the map with values here. For the demo purpose, I am entering this title. Here I am selecting this question, and then you have to click on the save button. And as you can see, the mapping has been done successfully. Once you integrate your Google account, this option in this section will be changed to import Google Sheet, and here you can import your Google Sheet. Here you have to paste the link of the Google Sheet, and here you can enter the description for the content that is available in the Google Sheet. And then you have to click on the add Google Sheets link button. And as you can see, the Google Sheet has been imported. Here you can see the file name. And here you can see the description, and you can also check the training status and the data type, and you can also see the last print date. You can enable or disable the visibility from this option. You can also take some actions, that is, you can refresh this, or you can copy the information, or you can delete the Google Sheet. Then we have the FAQ section, that is the frequently asked question section. Here you can create a FAQ category and train your AI chatbot according to it. For the demo purpose, I am entering shows related questions, and here you have to enter the description. You can enter any description and category name according to your business needs, and then you have to click on the save button. And this is how you can train your AI chatbot with the frequently asked question section. Then we have the conversation history section. Here you can train the AI chatbot with the conversation history available on your bot. That means here the user questions will be shown, and here the bot's reply will be shown, and here you can see the date created. You can also select the start date and end date here. You can also export the conversations data by clicking on this button. Then we have the other sources option, where you can integrate your AI chatbot with Notion. You have to click on the connect button. Here you can log into your Notion account, and your BotPenguin account will be connected to your Notion account. So that was all about how you can train your AI chatbot on the platform of BotPenguin. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.